The texture gives me life. Okay, so then there has to be a part 2. Good morning. It is the next day. Girl, I had to go to the grocery store or something. My hair was just too cute. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that means you haven't seen part 1. So please go to part 1, it's somewhere, and check that video out first. Then come to this one because this is part 2. Okay? Okay. So I just brushed all of my hair out and put it in these bantu knots. Oh, before I put it in the bantu knots, I sprayed it with some heat protectant, and then I also went in with my, I always call this a random serum, but I guess it's not because I use it all the time. It's my John Frieda Frizz Ease Nourishing Hair Elixir. Sorry, with argan oil. I just made like 3 random sections and I put them in bantu knots just to kind of keep my hair stretched out because we're not done. Today's video is gonna be about stretching my hair. Still haven't decided if I want to just go in with a blow dryer to straighten it back out or if I want to actually hit it with the flat iron. So we're going to be stretching our hair and then we're going to be doing our maintenance trim. I do a maintenance trim every 2 months. I was slipping this time around and I think we've hit like 3 months right now. So it's definitely time to just dust those ends. Remember, if you keep up with dusting your ends, you don't have to worry about doing a big chop. Let me get my blow dryer. Starting off, I'm just gonna section off my hair so we can work on this back section. But I'm gonna go in with my flat iron. It does have a concentrated nozzle attached to it, which is just gonna direct that hair exactly where you wanna go. I'm gonna be using my Dim brush. Is this a Dim brush or a Dim dupe? It's a Dim dupe, but I got it from cosmetology school. I'm just gonna take my brush, smooth through my hair, and we're gonna hold it backwards. This is gonna give you that tightness at the roots so we can get those roots straight, okay? I'm kind of holding it as if I'm doing the chase method. That's a better way to describe it. And then I'm gonna chase it with the blow dryer. Okay, smooth it through. Use your brush. I like to face down. You can face up, but then you have the heat kind of going this way. So I face down at first, anchor it, and then use that blow dryer to lock the stretched hair in place. So what I wanted to show you is, you see my roots have a little poof to them, right? And sometimes it's hard to get the root. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with a smaller, more compact Dim light brush, and I'm gonna use this to really hold down those ends. You see how straight that is? And I'm gonna lock it in place with the brush. Before I even get to this part, do you see how that's laying flatter? Now I'm kind of taking my brush and like flipping it outward. Like I'm taking it, watch. I'm taking it and I'm flipping it outward because that's gonna create some more stretch, which is going to keep your hair straight. Yeah, my hair is growing and it's growing in so healthy. I'm so proud. I'm a proud hair owner. Yeah, this is so cute. Yeah. Y'all, let's normalize not having silky straight hair. Like, our hair is natural. Like, the texture gives me life. It's nothing like our hair. Like, what? Anyways, So let's go ahead and get to this trim. We are not cutting off a lot. We are dusting the ends. I'm about to go get my glasses. All right, so first things first, we need our hair split down the middle. That way it's even on both sides. Oof. Okay, we are going to start off and just trim along the bottom. And I'm just feeling for things that don't feel good. So the more straggly ends, like almost nothing. See? And then I'm gonna do the exact same thing for another chunk of my hair. And we're not even cutting really for precision. We are literally just dusting the end. Okay. Doesn't that look better? Do the same thing to this side. That looks good. Yeah, that looks really good. And then of course, we're gonna take little slices of hair and just trim. And then at the top is shorter, so be sure to grab that. And I'm just trimming, you know, I'm taking my slice, pulling it out to a 90-degree angle, stretching it as much as I can, and then just dusting whatever ends. I'm cutting off less than ½ inch. Now, I trim my hair once every 3 months. It's supposed to be 2 months, because I want to catch those splits before they travel up the hair shaft too far and my trims become a cut. I'm just kind of pulling this hair up. When I first did my big chop, I had a lot of hair that I needed to cut at the top, so that's why my hair is much shorter at the top than the rest of my hair. I'm trying to get it to like gradually join into each other, but it does take time. So I always pull this out like separate because I know there's shorter pieces that I need to reach for. This is also something that's fairly easy to do at home. If you don't feel comfortable, of course, go see a stylist. But things like this like quarterly maintenance, you can do on your own. One day I hope to be that stylist that y'all come to. It's still like a big dream of mine. I want to do people's hair. Like, I've been wanting to do others' hair since I was a little kid. It's just always been in me. I think just watching my mom, she was a cosmetologist. She never like took it all the way, but I just saw her and she was just always good at doing hair. So, and also my dad, he's a barber, so it's just kind of like, it's in my blood, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, one day I'll be the trusted hairstylist that y'all come to. Now, I definitely went to cosmetology school. I have definitely done hair for maybe like 100 women. I'll say 100 women. I've done their hair. So it's not like I'm not experienced, but I don't know, right now, the way the economy is, the way my bills is monthly, I can't stop working for something that takes like time to like build and develop. I don't know, what do y'all dream of? I know we have 9-to-5s, and I know that some of y'all really love y'all's jobs. So if you do, please put it in the comments, like, do you love what you do at work? Or do you have something that you feel like you've always wanted to do? Maybe you don't have the opportunity now, but you're working towards it. Let me know what that is. Again, mine is YouTube for sure, but I also want the opportunity to really be a hairdresser, a true cosmetologist in all forms. Like, I want that for natural hair. That's my goal. That's like my prayer. And then just in the back, I want to take all of it. There's not much to cut back here. Take all of my hair and just pull it up. Do that, let it go. All right, and we are cut, or we are dusted. My hair feels so good. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, my hair is really growing, you guys. I'm so excited about this, y'all. I hope this video was helpful. Y'all are gonna see this time and time again because my channel is about reviews and products, and we love it, and it's so fun. But it's also about maintaining your hair, making sure that you have the healthiest hair that you could possibly have on your head. I hope that's what I'm conveying to you guys. Thank you so much for sitting with me, cutting my hair with me, talking with me about our dreams, our aspirations, and I can't wait to see what y'all say in the comments. Again, my name is Brandi LaShay, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.